Hi, my name is Andrej and I'm a civil defense instructor from Slovakia. In this video, I'll teach you the basic principles of gas mask donning and doffing using our two favorite training respirators, Avon FM12 and Avon C50. Various masks use different sizing, so make sure the gas mask you intend to use is the right size for you. In case of Avon FM12, size 2 is medium, which fits the majority of population, and in case of Avon C50, the embossed M letter on the forehead tells us it's a medium-sized mask as well. Before every usage, perform a simple visual inspection of the gas mask. Make sure the facepiece, lenses or head harness straps aren't visibly damaged or deformed in any way. The top and the middle head harness straps need to be adjusted to the wearer's face before the mask is used. Make sure they're set according to your needs. Loosen the bottom straps, since they're the only ones you'll be using during gas mask donning and doffing. Screw a compatible 40mm gas mask filter into your filter port and gently tighten it. If your gas mask features multiple filter ports, make sure the unused port is properly plugged with a port cover that came with the mask. Now, let's get familiar with the most important gas mask donning principles you need to follow in case of any situation involving imminent threat. You stop breathing immediately and close your eyes. No taking a deep breath, no peeking until the gas mask sits securely on your face. With your eyes closed and breath held, reach for your pre-adjusted respirator, place your hands inside the mask and stretch the strap so you would create enough space for your face to be inserted. Always place your chin in the chin pocket first and pull the head harness over your head. Tighten the bottom neck straps and exhale sharply. To ensure the gas mask has been done properly, cover the filter opening with the palm of your hand and take a deep breath 2 or 3 times. If the facepiece collapsed against your face and no air got through, it means the gas mask is sealing properly. Make sure the head harness is sitting flat on your head with no twisted straps and the head harness pad is centered at the back of your head for ideal weight distribution and maximum stability. Practice until you are able to don your gas mask quickly and flawlessly. To take the mask off, loosen the bottom straps and depending on the type of the mask you're using, with one hand grab the mask by the valve chamber or communication port and pull it up away from your face. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. During the time I've been teaching people basics of gas mask usage, I've seen my share of bad donning techniques that can get you killed in a situation involving dangerous substances. If you follow the instructions from this video, you'll be safe and sound. Modern military gas masks are usually being donned in a different and, in my opinion, more effective way. The head harness is being pulled over the front side of the facepiece, covering lenses or visor. The mask is grabbed with one hand by the valve chamber, held firmly against the face. The head harness is then pulled over the head and the bottom straps are tightened. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in case you're interested in learning more about relevant gas masks and their usage, measuring and detection devices, or personal CBRN protection in general, check out our Ko-fi page and Patreon.